Jesus will help you. Just one, the name you call. He's always there, hearing every prayer, faithful and true. Walking by your side, in His love we hide all the day through. When you get discouraged, just remember what to do. Reach out to Jesus, He's reaching out to you. Is the life you're living filled with sorrow and despair? Does the future push you with its worry and its care? Are you tired and friendless? Have you almost lost your way? Reach out to Jesus, He's reaching out to you. When you get discouraged, just remember what to do. Reach out to Jesus, reach out to Jesus. Come on and reach out to Jesus. He's reaching